Hey peeps, in today's video we'll be laser cutting wood and acrylic to create custom ornaments. For this project, we're going to be using the OMTech Polar Plus laser. If you're interested in OMTech lasers, you can use our discount code PROJECT5 for 5% off your purchase. In LightBurn, we'll start by importing the design we want to trace and use for the ornament's shape. We want the ornament to have a border with a different material, so we'll use our offset tool. We want to make sure the different pieces of our ornament are on different layers so that we can add different settings to them. We'll be using our material library to add our previously saved settings to our layers. The ornament we're creating now will have a wood border and a clear acrylic inside. We'll need to add a curve to the acrylic setting so that it fits perfectly into the border. To customize the ornament further, we'll be adding text of the current year. Now that our design is complete, we can laser cut it out. Since we liked the results of our ornament, we tried out different variations of it using transparent colored acrylic. Once again, if you're interested in OMTech lasers, you can use our code PROJECT5 for 5% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Craftmas.